If you want daily and consistent knowledge on dating or self-development, you're in the right place. So subscribe and leave a like on the video so I know I should make more content. What I'm going to be telling you today is 3 tips that will completely step you up in today's mess of the dating world. Okay, the first one, positively enforce good behavior, negatively enforce bad behavior. That sounds kind of like the methodology you use on dogs and kids, doesn't it? Well, guess what? What you do in dating is exactly the same as how you would train a dog or train a kid. Train a kid sounds so weird. If someone is giving you bad behavior, you do not positively reinforce that. If someone's giving you good behavior, you want to positively reinforce that. What do I mean? If someone's taking long to respond to your texts, or they're cancelling plans on you a lot, or they're not treating you as a priority, stop positively enforcing that by chasing them. Stop positively enforcing that by giving them words of affirmation during such a time. What you need to do is negatively enforce it. And the best way to negatively enforce someone showing you a low level of interest is to give them space. Okay? Anything they do that shows that they may have a low level of interest in you, or is indicative of them having a low level of interest in you, we respond to with space. Number 2, don't meet people on dating apps. And I know you may be saying, we're in lockdown right now, where else am I meant to meet people from? Go on meetup.com, find online meditation classes, online yoga classes, online poetry classes, and you can meet people there. When the establishment of the connection is not on mutual physical attraction, you tend to find that the attraction lasts a lot longer because it's on the basis of similar interests, similar hobbies, and these things, these mental things, are much more stimulating in a mid to long term relationship than things like physical attraction. It goes without saying, looks will fade. The things that keep you interested, mentally stimulated, that's number 3. Don't even look for fulfillment with another person. I've had countless people in my DMs messaging me saying, oh Rax, this person hasn't responded to me, that person slept with their cousins, uncles, sisters, daughters, brothers, best friend, they're not responding to me and they're taking long to respond and I don't know what to do. Listen, okay, when you are looking for fulfillment from an external party, the fulfillment that you're going to get is variable, because it's variable and subject to that person, what they ate for breakfast that morning. They could be in a bad mood because they ran out of cereal, and then they're going to treat you badly, and then you're going to be upset that day because your fulfillment relies on them. I don't think so. Okay, when your fulfillment comes from, I don't know, you working out or you learning a new skill, do you think your career or the language you're learning is going to wake up one day and be like, do you know what, you don't look too peng today, yeah, we need a bit of space? No. Okay, when you put time into something that doesn't rely on external factors, it's much more sustainable, 1, and number 2, it's much more fulfilling because it's less prone to going up and down based on random things that are out of your control. When it's something that you get fulfillment from, it's in your control. We want to keep things in our control because then we're less likely to have a shock, be heartbroken, and then have to watch one of AceAttraction's videos. Okay, so those are the 3 things. 1, negatively enforce any signs of low interest by giving the person space. Number 2, don't meet people on dating apps. Meet people at the gym, meet people at poetry classes, art classes, any hobby you have. Find a class for it, be that online or be that in person, and meet people there. And number 3, don't even look for fulfillment in a partner. Look for fulfillment elsewhere. The best kind of relationships are 2 people who are complete, joining their lives together. It sounds really cliche and cringe, but it's true. You want to have 2 complete people joining their lives up, and then they're bonuses to each other's life. You don't care if you lose a bonus, but you care if you lose well, some people might care if they lose their bonus, but it's not as bad as losing your whole salary. So make the other person your bonus, not your salary. Thank you very much, and if you learned something from this video, leave it a like and comment. I'm coming at you with daily and consistent content. No one is going to match my frequency this year, so subscribe. Thank you.